If you're trying to choose between AnyDesk, UltraViewer, and Parsec, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down what each one does best, who it's for, and which remote desktop solution is better, depending on your needs. Whether you want professional remote support, simple troubleshooting, or ultra-smooth remote gaming, this comparison will help you make the right choice fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, practical software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about AnyDesk. AnyDesk is one of the most popular remote desktop tools because it's built for speed, reliability, and flexibility. It's used by IT teams, businesses, freelancers, and remote workers who need dependable access to another computer from anywhere. One of the biggest advantages of AnyDesk is that it offers a strong set of professional features. You get file transfer, unattended access, session chat, remote printing, mobile device support, and security controls that make it suitable for serious, everyday use. That means if you need to connect to a work PC, assist a client, or manage multiple devices remotely, AnyDesk gives you a lot of control. It's also known for being fast and responsive, which matters a lot when you're working on a remote machine for longer sessions. So if your main goal is productivity, business support, or a polished all-round remote access solution, AnyDesk is a strong choice. Next up is UltraViewer. UltraViewer takes a much simpler approach. It's designed mainly for remote support and troubleshooting, and that simplicity is exactly what makes it appealing. If you only need to help a friend, family member, or customer fix a computer issue, UltraViewer is often easy to understand and quick to use. It's lightweight, beginner-friendly, and straightforward to install, which makes it great for users who do not want a complicated setup. UltraViewer is especially useful when you want to connect, view the other screen, and guide someone through a fix without dealing with too many advanced settings. However, it does have limitations. Compared to AnyDesk, it offers VVF features, and it is mainly focused on Windows systems. So if you need something simple and basic for occasional support, UltraViewer can be a very practical option. But if you want more power, more flexibility, and broader functionality, it may feel limited pretty quickly. Now let's move on to Parsec. Parsec is a little different from the other two because it was originally built for low latency streaming and remote gaming. That means its biggest strength is performance. It delivers high frame rates, responsive controls, and a very smooth experience, especially when you're dealing with graphics-heavy tasks. Gamers love it because it feels much more fluid than many traditional remote desktop tools. Content creators and users who work with demanding applications also appreciate how well it handles motion and responsiveness. Parsec can absolutely be used as a remote desktop solution, but that's not really its main identity. It shines most when smooth interaction and low delay are the top priorities. So if you're asking what to use for gaming, creative work, or performance-sensitive tasks, Parsec is probably the best fit out of the three. Now let's make the choice simple. Choose AnyDesk if you want a professional remote access tool with file transfer, unattended access, and business-friendly features. Choose UltraViewer if you want an easy, lightweight remote support tool for basic troubleshooting and quick help sessions. Choose Parsec if your priority is remote gaming, low latency streaming, or accessing high-performance applications remotely. So which one is better overall? The answer depends on what you need. For business and general productivity, AnyDesk is usually the most complete option. For simple support and ease of use, UltraViewer is a solid pick. And for the smoothest performance in gaming or graphics-heavy use, Parsec stands out. If you're still unsure, think about your main use case first, because the best remote desktop app is the one that matches your workflow. If you found this comparison helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which one you use or plan to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.